Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have a very quick update for you guys, and it surrounds the 2022 WRX and inadvertently the 2022 Subaru WRX STI. I know this has been a long and awaited release, and everybody's waiting for this thing to hit the market, and we're all excited to see what's going to come. I do have some bad news. Subaru had planned on announcing the 2022 WRX, not the STI, the WRX at the New York Auto Show. That was on August 19th, but unfortunately because of COVID and the Delta variant, the New York Auto Show has been canceled. And unfortunately for us, that means the 2022 WRX will not be released on August 19th. We actually don't even know when it's going to be released anymore because they've taken the timer off their website, and basically most of the news reports are saying there's not actually a date yet for the release, which kind of makes sense because the Delta variant may not only affect the news and the market for buying, but the Delta variant might affect manufacturing, so delaying the release not only might build up the hype over the car, but it may allow them to predict some of the unpredictableness of what the Delta variant is going to do. Delaying gets us closer to hopefully a solution over the Delta variant. It allows more of the United States and the world to get vaccinated, and therefore lowers the risk and odds of the Delta variant disrupting the supply chains and manufacturing of the brand new generation WRX and STI. So this is just a quick piece of news. I know this is not the news that you guys want to hear, but if you are, like many people, excited for the new 2022 WRX and STI to come out and you want to know what they look like, it is still a waiting game. What we thought was, 10, 15 days out is no longer. We're back in the dark to understand when the new release date is, when we're even gonna see what it looks like. My personal opinion is this is exactly what Subaru wanted. I bet you they didn't want to release for the New York Auto Show because there were still so many unknowns. And this has been the best of both worlds. It's given them more time to solve their problem, and it's given them more hype over the 2022 WRX, and it's given them a little bit more time to work on that STI because as of now, we don't know exactly when the STI is gonna come out. We know that it's coming out a few months after the WRX, and this might be a marketing ploy, or this might truly be a need of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update on the new generation WRX and STI again, because it's going to come out a few months after. So follow the news about the WRX if you want to know about the STI, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on exactly what's going on. So if you haven't already subscribed and you want to follow the news and not have to Google it and everything, and you just want a notification that tells you exactly what's going on with the WRX and STI, don't be afraid to subscribe. Don't be afraid to subscribe to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you've got that bell notification so you know exactly what's happening with the newest generation and when you guys will be able to preview it, view it, see it, understand when you can buy it, and basically all of those great things. And yeah, so thanks again for watching, guys. I'm actually headed over to film a good old fun video. I'm trying to race there before it gets too dark, but the sun's starting to go down. If you guys have ever filmed a car or filmed in general and it's a really sunny day, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You want to wait till just when the sun is not straight up in the air, because you just can't film well with a car when the sun's at an angle. So thank you guys, enjoy your day, and definitely keep a lookout for more news on the newest WRX and STI.